In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Discord on PC. Whether you prefer using your web browser or the desktop app, I'll walk you through both options so you can get into your servers and chats quickly and confidently. First, the fastest option is using your browser. Open your preferred browser and go to discord.com/login. This is the official login page for Discord, and it lets you access your account without downloading or installing anything. Once the page loads, sign in with your Discord account. As soon as you're in, you'll see your servers, direct messages, and settings just like you would in the app. This method is great if you're on a shared computer, traveling, or simply don't want to install software. It's also handy for quick checks or light use. For the best experience, use a modern, up-to-date browser and make sure you're on the secure site before entering your info. If you plan to use voice or video, your browser may ask for microphone or camera permissions. Go ahead and allow them so everything works smoothly. Now, if you want the full-featured experience, go with the desktop app. Open your browser and head to discord.com. On the home page, look for the download section, click it, then download the installer for your PC. When the download finishes, open the installer. On Windows, you might see a security prompt. Choose Run or Allow to continue. The installer will take care of the setup automatically and launch Discord when it's done. The first time it opens, sign in with your Discord account. The desktop app usually starts faster, supports system-wide push-to-talk, and stays up to date automatically, which can make voice channels and screen sharing feel more reliable during longer sessions. That's all there is to it. To recap, you can open Discord directly in your browser by visiting discord.com/login and signing in, which requires no installation at all. Or you can download the installer from discord.com, run it, and use the desktop app for a more integrated experience on your PC. Choose the one that fits your needs, quick access in the browser, or the dedicated app for daily use and richer features. Either way, you'll be chatting, calling, and sharing with your communities in no time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord.